What's up guys, welcome to the video. So today we are taking on a food challenge. Now this restaurant is about 3 hours from me. The name of it is called Main Street Philly, and they have this massive Philly cheesesteak sandwich that Nate Figs and I are gonna take on. So Nate is driving from Coconut Creek. I believe he has like a 2.5 hour drive. I have a 3 hour drive, but I'm going to stop in Tampa to pick up Coach Cabrera. He's gonna come along for the ride and basically just cheer us on. We got a lot of driving to do. Let's get to it and let's get psyched. So it is 12:30 right now and I am completely fasted, so I'm getting a little bit hungry, and I wanted to let you guys know that this is gonna be a challenge. So it's just basically one meal. It's not like a full entire cheat day where like I did the 15,000 calorie challenge where you guys saw how miserable I was. Those calorie challenges, they're not very fun. I did it because it's a challenge. I didn't enjoy it, but I just wanted to challenge myself. So the difference between a calorie challenge and a food challenge, the food challenge is just gonna be a one sitting meal. So it's just gonna be a big, massive meal and then get it down, and that's the challenge, So it's not gonna be a full entire like cheat day calorie challenge, because those are very challenging. But this Sunday, which is gonna be in 2 days, I think I'm gonna do another normal cheat day. So stay tuned for that. What's good, bro?
Oh, what up, homie? How you doing?
Coach Cabrera in the building.
What up, you guys? What up? I'm gonna be a hype man on this challenge.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
All right, after that long drive, we finally made it to Main Street, Philly. Yeah. What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
How you doing? How's everything?
Good, bro.
My friend Cabrera.
How you doing?
Mike. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
This is Nate Figs.
Sweating.
How you doing?
Good.
How was the drive?
It's nice.
Yeah.
What's up, Nick? Hey.
Oh, yeah.
I'm huge. Big, man. You're big, man?
No way, man. I love that shirt, though.
Oh, thank you.
It's awesome.
Okay guys, so we are here at Main Street Philly taking on the Monster Challenge with my bro, Mr. Nathan Figueroa.
What's up?
How you feeling?
Good. Hungry?
Yeah. So this is a 5-pound cheesesteak sandwich along with fries, and we have 55 minutes to complete this challenge. If we do complete it, we get a $25 gift card, a t-shirt, and maybe a hat if we, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'm hungry. I'm ready to get started. How are you?
Yeah, I'm sweating.
All right, man.
That's how hungry I am.
Let's do this.
Right. 3, 2, 1. My timer has started, and for the record, Michael is the only winner here, and he's here to support us, so appreciate that. And we have a few other people that are here to support us, so I appreciate them as well. Okay, seconds are being used.
We're already 11 seconds in, bro.
11 seconds in.
This thing is massive.
Yes, it is massive. So my strategy is to take down the meat. Oh, that way.
Go. I will still have a whole nother one. There's so much food, bro.
Okay guys, 12 minutes in. We have a little bit more than half the Philly done. I took like a big bite and some steak out of there, but whew, it's good. Still got a good amount of food.
It's tasty.
Nick, we're about like the same on our side.
Yeah.
Eat that thing.
Eat it. Eat it.
Eat it.
Eat it.
Good job, Nickery.
Good job, bro. What's your time? Done.
What's your time, man?
29 minutes, 30 seconds.
29:30. Move back here.
9:30. Woo! Go, Nick. Come on, Nathan.
Yeah, Nick.
33 minutes to complete this challenge. I'm pretty full right now. Nick, on the other hand, he did it in 29 minutes.
30 seconds.
Yeah. He food challenged it.
Hey man.
I could not food challenge it.
I learned from this guy.
No, dude, I could not get in the rhythm. I could not do it. Anyways, awesome, dude.
Yeah, good work, man.
Yeah.
Good times.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so challenge is complete, and I want to say a huge thank you to Main Street Philly for making an amazing, delicious sandwich, and I think we did all right. So I want to thank my homie Nate for showing up, doing the challenge with me. So that is going to wrap up the video. Be sure to subscribe to Nate's channel. It'll be in the description box below. And I think that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys
In the next one. Peace out.